catch the breeze, don't ask why. Step out, shoes off, feel the street. Heartbeat, keeping this repeat. No math, but I still know wherever I go, I glow. No stop sign in this lane. We play loud and we don't explain. Windows down, just vibes and flight. Chasing colors into light. We're running on the first light. Fast like fire, fresh like ice. Jump so high, we blur the height. Every step's a piece of sky. We shine on the first light. Bright like waves that kiss the night. No regrets, no rewind. We're living in the first light. Skip the clock, forget the time. Got my rhythm, got my prime. No delay, just green and go. Sunrise bouncing off the chrome. We don't wait for a perfect day. We just make it our own way. Turn it up and feel the spin. This is how our days begin. Let the city catch its breath. We'll be miles ahead instead. Snap the moment, now it's done. Next one's already begun. We're running on the first light. Fast like fire, fresh like ice. Jump so high, we blur the height. Every step's a piece of sky. We shine on the first light. Bright like waves that kiss the night. No regrets, no rewind. We're living in the first light. We're running on the first light. Fast like fire, fresh like ice. Jump so high, we blur the height. Every step's a piece of sky. We shine on the first light. Bright like waves that kiss the night. No regrets, no rewind. We're living in the first light. We're living in the first light. Da-da-da, wind in my hair. Sunlight's already there.
Sky is wide, no cloud in sight. Dashboard dancing in the light. You tap the beat against the wheel. I smile, it's all too real. Crank it up, no map today. Every turn's a getaway. Laughing louder than the waves. This is how we misbehave. We're on an ocean drive, windows down, singing louder than the town. Tide is up, and so are we. Riding high, wild and free. Turn the volume past the line. Catch the breeze and blur the signs. No direction, no goodbyes. Just this forever. Ocean drive. Radio plays our favorite song. You shout the words a little wrong, but I don't mind, I play along. It's been forever all day long. One lane road we make it to. Sun-kissed skin and nothing to prove. No destination, just this heat and the rhythm in your feet. We're on an ocean drive, windows down, singing louder than the town. Tide is up, and so are we. Riding high, wild and free. Turn the volume past the line. Catch the breeze and blur the signs. No direction, no goodbyes. Just this forever. Ocean drive. Let the road bend how it wants. We don't need to chase the sun. It's already on our skin.
I didn't think I'd come back here, but the air smells the same. Same bench, same shade under this pine. The cafe still plays that same old line. You used to hum it when you walked ahead, too fast for me, but I didn't mind. That August felt like we'd never age, but seasons are never that brave. You left with a laugh, no bitter word, just the ocean between what we were. But it's still summer when I say your name, still hear the echo in the window pane. The sunlight hits like it always did, but I can't tell if I'm warm or just a kid. It's still summer though the breeze feels thin, and I'm smiling more than I did back then. I don't need you here to feel the glow. Some memories learn how to grow. I take my coffee the way you hate, too sweet, too slow, but I'm always late. Saw someone wear that shirt you lost, but it looked better crumpled on my couch. Funny how people don't really go, they live in places weather can't show. You don't answer and that's okay, sometimes love just learns to stay. You were summer, sharp and fast, now you're just the part that lasts. Still summer when I breathe you in, not regret, just softer skin. The sun comes back and so do I, not to you, just to the sky. It's still summer though I walk alone, still the air that felt like home. I don't need you here to feel the glow. Some memories learn how to grow. Still summer, even now.
Na na na, the world feels light. Let's chase this golden ride. Window down, hair in the wind, lemon soda, sunscreen skin. Your reflection in my lens feels like we were always friends. Tell me stories, make them up, I'll believe them, don't need luck. Laughing loud with nothing planned, every second slips like sand. Let's stay on the sunny side, where the breeze is on our side. Skipping hearts, no reason why, just you and I to come, but your heart's a rhythm. Take one step, don't hesitate. Summer doesn't wait. You're like a blue mirage slipping through my hands, warm and close, but I don't understand. Fading like a secret in the tide. Still I run to you every time, even if it's just a dream I trace. You leave salt and sunlight on my face. Footsteps fading on a silver shore. I hear the echo asking for more. We don't talk in promises, just sighs, but I still memorize your lies. I keep dancing in this haze of color, like your name's painted on the water. If I lose or if I stay, I still dive your way. If you were real, would you pull me in or vanish like you've always been? You're like a blue